How to verify your TikTok account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can verify TikTok account and get the blue verification tick. So without further delay, let's get started. So before we start, first of all, we have to understand about the eligibility criteria. So in order to get the blue verification tick, we must meet the eligibility criteria on TikTok. So some of the criteria or your account must represent a real person, brand or entity, and you must have a business account in order to get the blue verification tick. If you have a personal account, make sure to switch that account to a business account. Also, you should be an active or you should have an active presence on TikTok. Make sure to post regularly and engage with others. Also, you must be a notable figure, brand or entity with a significant following and public recognition in order to get the blue verification tick. So if you meet all of these criteria and if you have a business profile, so here's how you can apply for the verification. So from your home page, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you're here, tap on the three-line icon at the top right, and if you have a business account, there you have an option for business suite, so tap on business suite. Under this section, now you need to tap on need help. Here, tap on the first option, account types, and under account type, there is an option for blue verification badge account. Tap on it. And here, if you tap on what is verified badge, here you will have all of the information regarding the blue verification tick. Here it says a verified badge means that TikTok has confirmed that account belongs to the user it represents. So make sure to read all of this information given here. Now, if you want to apply for the verification, tap on no here and then tap on need more help. Then you'll be taken into TikTok support, and here now you can send a message to TikTok support, and here you can request for the blue verification by providing all of your account details and then send it to TikTok support. After that, the TikTok support will review your request and will help you to receive a blue verification check mark on your profile. So for that, you have to wait for the verification process, where the TikTok might take a few days to few weeks in order to process your request. So that's the way to get the blue tick or the verification on your TikTok account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.